Hi besties, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this simple protective hairstyle with just your Brazilian wool. I'm gonna show you guys everything step by step, the pattern, the braiding, everything. This twist braid hairstyle is super easy to do and is very cheap to do. You don't need to break a bank for you to make this braided hairstyle because you only need 5 pieces of Brazilian wool to achieve this. So the first thing I did was to measure my wool, went ahead and roll it and then did the cutting. So for the start, which is the back, I make use of 11 inches. So the next thing I did was to part my hair. First of all, I have to get my center parting. So if you are struggling with getting that perfect pattern, whenever you want to braid your hair, then this video is for you. So when I get my center pattern, the next thing I did was to part from my ear to the other ear. Okay, in essence, I'm gonna have just 4 sides. And after parting it that way, the next thing I did was to start dividing each of the four into two, and then each of the two I divided again, meaning in total I had 16 parted hair, which I used 9. So I went ahead to use a band to secure them. So I have 16 in total. It's very easy. First of all, just go ahead and part your hair into two from the center to down. Then the center, then you divide it into four, like this side two, then the other side two. That way to be easy for you to get your part. Even if you are doing not jumbo size, you want it to be smaller, making it that way be very easy for you now to go ahead and divide it into small pieces. So this is your girl braiding her hair. First of all, I remove the band, then apply some hair wax on my hair, smoothing my hair, then go ahead and grab 35 pieces of the Brazilian wool because this is jumbo size. Okay, if you want yours to be smaller, you can go for maybe 10 pieces, 15, 20, it depends on you, but for me I make use of 35 pieces. So I went ahead and I attach it on my hair. I did I did Bob Marley a little bit, and then I started to twist. Make sure the natural hair is hidden inside the wool. And when I got to the length I need, next thing I did was to use one of the Brazilian wool. If you're exhausted when you're using, you're free to pick extra one from the braids and then use it to secure the mouth. Okay, so now I have just two left. I apply some hair wax on it, smoothing my comb, make sure it's well smoothing. Then I went ahead and attached the band. Some of them I braided without the band, while some I braided with the band. So for these two, I did it with the band. Like you use the band after you apply your wax smoothing, use the band and secure it. The next thing, just see what I did. Watch my hand movement. It's very easy, guys. You don't need to stress yourself much. Just attach it that way. Then do your Bob Marley a little bit, like 3 times. Then you divide your natural hair into two. Place each of the divided natural hair into the wool, and then you start to twist. It's as easy as that. So this is the last one, baby girl, and smoothing my hair. Go ahead and smoothing it slowly. Attach my band. Like I said, this last two I use band to do them. Then the rest I didn't use band. I remove the band. It's still the same process. So when you attach your band, the next thing is for you to go ahead and grab your Brazilian wool. Make use of 35 pieces, like I said, and then you braid to some point, just like 3 times. Do your Bob Marley 3 times, then you start to twist. But if you want to twist your own from the root, you are free to do that. Just attach it, divide the natural hair into two, and then start to twist. If you don't know how to twist, check my tutorial on how you can easily do your twist braid. It's very easy. So guys, if you watch this video to this point, kindly use the opportunity to hit that like button. For you not to miss any of my tutorial videos, kindly hit the subscribe button. Join the family, is free of charge. Turn on your post notifications so that once you upload new videos, you will get notified. So when I'm done braiding, the next thing I did was to use my scissors to remove the mark. As I went ahead to beautify it with some hair accessories, guys. You're free to use any hair accessories of your choice, but you can still choose to leave it that way. So I just beautify it with some hair accessories. And this, hi besties, check out this beauty. Look at this hairstyle. It's giving what it should. Just with 5 pieces of Brazilian wool, you can achieve this short jumbo size twist braid with Brazilian wool. You can pack anyhow, you can style it anyhow. If you can want to fling it, you're free. You wanna pack it, you are free. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys got value from this video. Do not forget to like, do not forget to comment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching once again, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.